Okay,
Yeah.
watch this.
Oh my God. I don't know, can you climb the tire?
What's up, Buttercups? How are you guys doing on this golden day? Well, as you can see, this is a golden monster truck. It is called the Predator, and it's built by Predator Racing. And I'm gonna get to ride in it, so this is gonna be golden. How do you even climb this thing? How do you get in the back? I don't know how you climb these things. It's too tall.
Yeah.
Okay, watch this.
Oh my God. I don't know, can you climb the tire?
Get a running start.
Okay, I'm gonna get a running start. Okay.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, there we go. He's king of the monster truck.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now how do I get past the tire?
You kind of have to swing around.
This is where my monster truck adventure stopped.
Hey,
But really, how do you get in though? Huh?
We'll get the ladder.
Yeah. Oh, there's a ladder. Okay. Wow, thank you guys so much. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh shoot, that's how you climbed in.
Yeah.
It's like it's eating you. That's so cool. Wow. That is just amazing. What in the world? Casually, monster truck, just chilling here. Ah! I feel like this should be like an episode of Jurassic Park. What? No! What? All four wheels are steering. Oh gosh, no, he's coming to me. Look at that, the back wheels are steering. Oh my gosh. How are you doing, Kurt? This is the coolest thing ever. Oh yeah, now we're gonna get in the back. Woo! Quick question, can these things ever be made road legal?
Now you're a good looking man.
No?
Too wide.
I would totally drive this on the roads. Like, oh my goodness.
Not that it hadn't been done before.
Hey, are you riding?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Good video. Yeah, don't video, video shit.
Don't matter.
Oh shoot, this is awesome. I'm just gonna chill here.
This guy and me in this monster truck.
This is gonna be amazing.
Let's do it.
Apparently we have to put seatbelts on, so. This is so cool. Oh. This is so cool. Oh my God, this is awesome. James, how are you doing? This is so cool. He's like drifting and stuff. And all the four wheels turn with this thing. I'm not sure if you guys can hear what I'm saying. James is dying. This is so crazy. Oh crap. Tree branches. Okay. I have to bend down so I wasn't. Oh my God. Oh, that was pure gold. What did you think? How does it work, like in here, for example?
Just like a normal car, just bigger.
That is so
There you
awesome. And so, like, you guys build this from scratch, like pretty much everything.
Every bit of it.
That is so amazing. How do you build one of these?
Just over the years, learn what to do, what not to do, and just start from Raw piece of tube on the floor to the finished deal.
That's so crazy. So what about like the frame? Do you get the frame from like a different car?
No,
or?
we hand build them. Everything's
That's
hand built.
amazing. That is so cool.
From the first piece of tube on the floor to what you see here.
Oh my gosh. I'm done. This has been a really golden day. Thank you so much. James, how was your experience in a monster truck?
Holy crap, we're far up here. Huh? It was awesome, man. I totally dig this.
So crazy.
Who does this? Huh?
Yeah, that is very fun.
I'm gonna call it 10 feet.
Are you gonna jump?
I'm gonna call it 10 feet.
Are you gonna
I'm
jump?
not gonna jump. I'm old, man. I will fold up. Yes.
Curtis, give you plenty of beverages.
This is a traveling golden rig. Oh, look at that. It looks like a house.
It is. That's the. This is the Kenworth Hotel.
So the whole truck is literally just stored in there.
And up in the front, if you got those are tires
For, like,
stacked
traveling.
up. Those are tires stacked up in the front. It's got an elevator to lift the tires up in the front.
Look at that.
What?
Are you learning something?
Oh yeah, I literally
Look at
feel
that
like I'm
tire
growing
going
smarter. Oh my gosh. So what they're doing right now is storing the monster truck. Like, it's not really going to be stored on these wheels, and so they have to be put away. I'm going to move out of the way so I don't get crushed. But yeah, they have to be put away, and so he's going to put like really smaller wheels on it. So that's the size of the wheel that he's going to put on there, so he can park it in the garage. That's just awesome. I had no idea this is how it was done. This is so cool. And they, not only do they build monster trucks, they also build like little monster trucks as well. I'll try to show you guys what those are. I actually found out these tires weigh like 800, 1,000 pounds. Oh my gosh. Just imagine that just falling on you. You're probably going to be gone.
And these are the turf tires. The race tires actually have grooves.
Oh, this is amazing. That's how you do it.
Oh, other way, okay. Yeah, turn around. Way. Yeah, it's not, it says the one.
This is amazing.
It's funny enough.
That's how you do it.
Well, I asked.
That's awesome. Okay, this has been a golden day. Thank you all so much for watching this golden video. I will see you guys on the next Full Octane Drive.
Full Octane drive. That'll work.